One good day everyone. In today's video, we are going to talk about ArcGIS Pro interface. First, let us open the ArcGIS Pro application. Once the application opens, you will see the ArcGIS Pro first interface. On this screen, the home page contains three main sections: Home, Learning Resources and Settings. In the Learning Resources section, you can find short tutorials, guided lessons and short courses that help you learn how to use ArcGIS Pro step by step. This section is especially useful for beginners. Next is the Settings section. From here, you can check application options, software updates and general preferences. For example, you can easily see whether a new ArcGIS Pro software update is available. Now, let's move to the Home section. Here, you can see several project types such as Map, Catalog, Global Scene and Local Scene. If you want, you can start a new project without using a template. Additionally, if you have already worked on a project before, you can reopen it using the Open Another Project option. Now, let's see how to create a new project. First, select the Map option. Then, give your project a suitable name. Next, select a relevant location where the project should be saved. If you want ArcGIS Pro to automatically create a new folder for the project, check the option Create a new folder for this project. Finally, click OK. Your new project will open successfully and you can start working on your map. After that, you will see the ArcGIS Pro project interface. This interface includes the map view where you can easily view and work with your map. At the top, the menu bar contains several important tabs similar to ArcMap. These include Project, Map, Insert, Analysis, View, Edit, Imagery, Share and Help. In daily GIS work, the most commonly used tabs are the Map tab and the Edit tab. Within the map view, you can zoom in and zoom out to navigate to your area of interest. ArcGIS Pro offers high performance, allowing smooth map navigation without lag. On the right side, you can see the catalog, which allows you to connect data folders, manage project contents and organize your data efficiently. On the left side, the table of contents display all the layers added to the map. From here, you can turn layers on or off, change symbology and manage layer order. If you want to use a new tool, go to the Analysis tab, click Tools, search for the tool by name and use it easily. If the catalog pane is not visible at any time, you can enable it again by going into View tab and selecting Catalog pane. In this video, we completed a clear overview of the ArcGIS Pro project interface and its main working areas. If this video is useful, don't forget to subscribe, share, like and comment. Thank you for watching. Mapora, learning made easy.